Okay, hello YouTube, this is Kat again with another person, and this is Sock's Greek had to get off, so I invited Sock. Well, for this glitch, you're practically gonna go flying. It ain't simple. Okay, so you wanna come up here, you wanna come all the way up here, then you wanna do this glitch right here, if you don't know how to do it, I'll put that in the description, and you just wanna hit it perfect. So it looks like this, if I can get it again. Oh, I hit it way too early. But you just do the speed glitch off of it 3 times practically. So whenever you do speed glitch, it will look like this, then it will go flying. So stop if you want to, you can watch my screen. Not like that. But earlier I got so much speed I went to third person, I guess. Kinda like that. But I went flying way farther. It's a glitch found by me and Greek. I don't know where he found it. I was just showing him how to do it. I want to give him some props for being with me, helping me out with glitches and crap like this right here. He taught me how to do this right here. I don't know. Not a lot of people know how to do it. It's kind of hard. You gotta do this. Slow down. Get one speed. Run. Sprint. Do the speed glitch off that. So I don't know if I can get it again. Um, but it ain't that hard. Whenever you do it, it will look like this. So you're slowly gonna hit it, and then sometimes it will send you to third person like I'm going to, but then you'll go flying and land some of the crap. And then here is Sock Skin. There's Sock Skin. He's just being boring. He's just rotating. Well, here we go. See, I'm hitting it way too early. But y'all get the point. It just sends you to third. There we go. There we go. There. There. See, give me 30 likes for this, please. Or 100. I don't even care how many likes. I just want at least 20, 30 likes for this video. It took me and Greek a while to learn how to do it perfect. Um, it's just like, it's just hard to put, it's just hard to put this crap together. Because we were up all night. Well, I was up all night. He just went to bed. And there's another glitch. Here, I'll teach y'all it too. Then here's the glitch I was talking to y'all about earlier when we were underground. You just, like me, I'm just pushing my marker down here. I don't want to be up there. I was just showing y'all where to go. We'll have to do it. So, for the glitch up there, the one I just did, it's just R1 and X. And this one right here is another perspective. So, you want to go like this, so you want to do the, you can do that, like you can do the cannonball. I don't prefer cannon. I prefer my own glitch. Then just do this, and you'll fly. This right here took me a long, long time to figure out. Greek was trying to teach me. And then here's a moonwalk glitch. It, it's not like a really big glitch. I guess it's just for fun. But please give me 10 likes for this. This took a long time to figure out too. He was actually the first person to ever figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna just push my marker down here. So you want to go down. Okay, so you want to go down. See what I was doing there? The moonwalk. Look at my screen, stop. Look, I'm doing the moonwalk. Are you watching? Watch. Look. Yeah. Okay, this right here, not a lot of people have noticed it, but, I guess, if you want to, there it is just for me to get back out. All it still didn't work. But, I'll teach y'all another glitch. Not a lot of people pay attention to crap like this, but I do, for one reason, is to do this crap and upload it. He thinks that this is just, well, the frog glitch. You come up here, you eat up the red line, the frog, 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 frog. No, I'm just joking. But for you to get underneath the map, you do that under map glitch right here, if you want to, I guess. That's up to you. If you're not really a big glitcher, or you don't know how to glitch, or you don't know any of this crap, just add me and I'll teach you. It ain't that hard to learn. Here, I'll make it where they can hear you. Okay, but all you have to do is go like that. Okay, you go like that, then you switch over to the other one. So if it don't work perfect, just try to switch to somebody else's screen, press the marker, and then it just brings you under, then you just go wherever you want. But okay, here's this glitch. This was found by me. Well, not found by me, but found by
I'm a man,
the Greek.
I'm a man. Really?
So you just go like this. So you want to get the speed glitch, and the best way to do it is just like this.
You can't
Go
do
like
it
that,
too.
and then you just do the speed glitch. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. And I'll go to somewhere else. I'll teach you another glitch. I'll make up glitches and crap. I'll figure out new ways to do glitches. Just sub. I want 20 likes. 30, please. 30 likes. Delete. Here. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. And 20 likes. Thank you.